stock, AMD stock. Is this the best time to buy before it explodes? Monthly time frame. AMD is in an ideal position right now, both in terms of timing and pricing. This is a great moment for investment, with the company's financial reports and market news aligning perfectly. Over the next few days, we could see AMD prepare for a major push toward $192. Okay, $192. Okay, weekly and daily time frames. Right now, every day presents a huge opportunity for large investment. The current price is already attractive, but if AMD drops to around $92, that would be a gift from the market. I absolutely love this setup. Dear my friend, I absolutely love this setup. And any price under $105 is an excellent entry point, okay? So, now, what do you think? Drop your thought in the comments below. Are you watching AMD closely? Let's discuss. Thank you.